So we thought we'd fly out to Orlando to surprise him.
Well, I got something.
Yesterday he thought we were bringing Porsche parts. Adam LZ's GT3. And he bought it. You to the airport.
Yeah, true. Oh, there's
Just
my
broke.
wing. That's a good wing.
So here we are, we're on flight VS24 and we're on our way to Orlando. Postman here has a very special package to deliver for a very special someone.
Well, Matt Armstrong has just hit 1 million subscribers, and what a number that is. That's pretty amazing, right?
So we thought we'd fly out to Orlando to surprise him with a little gift.
That's it, and I had to go out and buy an outfit, so I got myself a Royal Mail jacket, a Royal Mail shirt, a flashlight, which has got disco mode.
Best bit is, he's on strike. Right, so we've made it to Freddy's shop and Matt and the team are inside. We've got a special delivery with our postman from Petrolheadonism and Hard Up Garage. Oh, there's some cars in this lot. Wow, we're at Freddy's place, seen this place for years on his channel. So before we make our way in and surprise everybody, thank you to EBC Brakes who have sponsored this fantastic road trip to America. Stay tuned on the channel because there's so much content coming to you from Orlando, Atlanta and LA. Hey, look, it's Freddy.
Hey, what's going on, dude?
Hey, dude,
What's going on, man?
Where's the rest of you gone?
From the UK, we've got a special delivery.
What?
With a freaking UK postman.
Well, I thought you wouldn't be able to build a Porsche on American tea, so I thought I'd bring you some PG tips and a certificate for hitting your 1 million subscriber, man.
Thank you.
Congratulations,
you
mate.
You smuggled this on the plane.
Well, I got actually apprehended by the border force in England because it's illegal to impersonate a postal
He's
officer.
got a proper
Is it
full on,
really?
yeah.
Where did you
No,
take
he's
that
even got
from?
trousers.
Who did you steal it from?
No, my postman, I bribed him, I gave him 60
No
quid.
way.
I promise. And the trousers are from a charity shop for a £5. I'm going to have to cut them off.
Until yesterday, he thought we were bringing Porsche parts.
Well, I got something.
Cool, so as you know, Petrolheadonism, we have a lot of friends in the automotive industry, especially friends that are classed as automotive influencers. Being out here in Freddy's Garage Orlando was planned about 3 months ago. But in that time, Matt and Freddy have hooked up because Matt got a line on Adam LZ's GT3. And he bought it with Freddy's help. And then they're here building it. And we just flew in tonight. The car's here, we've been watching this on Matt's channel, on a Mark II channel as well. And from the last video to seeing this in this state, and they discovered more damage, which is going to need some structural replacements. It's unreal. Like, for me, Matt and Freddy are wired differently. To like look at a car like this and think, I can fix that, is mental. You know, Matt's building the M5 at the moment. He's building the Lamborghini Murcielago, which he's rebuilt the engine twice, and just see him go into the intricate details. They are wired differently. But like Freddy says to me, it's just Lego. So we landed at Freddy's, and of course, nothing other than Matt Armstrong's amazing GT3 build, mate.
Yeah.
So excited for you, and we're loving the footage, the sessions on this, and to see some of the behind the scenes this morning is amazing. How is it actually going?
Well, it's interesting because it's all new. Like, I thought I'd done I did the Cayman S before this, thinking I'm a Porsche expert now, but then as soon as you get onto something like this, the 992, it seems like they've just changed everything. So everything's new, it's learning new things as well, but that's what I enjoy doing. That's why I try and pick out the cars which are a bit more of a challenge, because I enjoy the new side of things and learning about it. But yeah, it's a little worse than we first thought though, but we'll get there.
That bit there.
Yeah.
But it means you get to come out to Florida again.
I know,
and
yeah.
Your smiles in the video.
What a
to say it
shame.
all.
What a shame. Yeah, that's the thing. We've been enjoying it out in Florida, and it's completely different. It's like a new challenge.
Yeah.
So you're out here, it's completely different, and the weather's better as well, obviously.
I predict that Matt Armstrong's going to be 6 months in America, 6 months in the UK very soon, but we don't want to lose him because he's a national treasure. But, mate, so good to see the build, and I better get you to the airport.
Yeah, true. Oh, there's
Just
my
broke.
wing. That's a good wing. No.
The wing
What's
just came
happened?
off. I think there's an earth tremor or something. So again, a massive thank you to EBC Brakes for bringing us out here to Florida to visit Freddy, see Matt, see this incredible build, as well as all the other phenomenal cars, as well as spend a couple of days with our friends here in Florida. Freddy, we'll see you at Petrolheadonism Underground.